Is this boom times then for UK defence? What are you seeing on the ground?
Yeah, I mean, potentially. That's certainly what they're hoping for. Babcock, especially, the other bigger firms, BAE, have seen their share prices soar this year, 40-50%. Babcock's back in the FTSE 100. They're really hoping, they're investing heavily and they're hiring already in anticipation of this boom. And the smaller companies, there's some 12,000 in the UK, they're really hoping to get a piece of this as well. The difference for them is they don't have the financial firepower to really invest now, and so they are sort of anticipating demand but trying to work out how they can really capitalise on it.
That's 12,000 companies in the defence space in some form in the
Yes,
UK.
in some form. There are a lot of smaller suppliers that do anything from, I mean, we spoke to a company that did tents for the MOD, the Ministry of Defence. There are all sorts of little things where they create plastics, and defence is the main,
So, Jamie, what is the impact then on the UK economy from this?
Well, potentially could be large. I mean, we're talking about a large percentage of spending going into defence. Jobs could therefore increase. I mean, if you look at the overall manufacturing space in the UK, it's been in decline for several years. The car industry especially, we hear about people pulling out, fewer cars being produced here, the costs are high. But in defence, that's been rising, even though defence spending has been falling. So there is demand, and don't forget, they can get contracts from elsewhere in Europe and in the US. So it's a really growing industry, and they're really hoping this can, push them even further.